Unlock success through networking. Before attending networking events or joining online forums, identify your goals for networking. Knowing your objectives will help guide your networking efforts more effectively. Attend seminars and workshops related to your industry. These events provide excellent opportunities to meet like-minded professionals. Participate in LinkedIn groups, industry-specific forums, and Facebook groups related to your field. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and share valuable insights to establish yourself as a valuable contributor in these communities. Ensure that your LinkedIn profile is complete, up-to-date, and professional. Include a professional photo, a compelling headline, a detailed summary, and descriptions of your work experience. Make use of LinkedIn's features, such as endorsements and recommendations, to enhance your credibility. To build long-lasting connections, focus on offering value to your network. Share relevant articles, resources, and insights that can benefit your connections. Offer help and support when you can, and be a reliable source of information and assistance. It's essential to listen to others and show interest in their experiences and perspectives. Active listening helps you build rapport with your connections and learn valuable insights. Develop a concise and engaging introduction of yourself that highlights your expertise and accomplishments. Practice your elevator pitch so you can confidently introduce yourself. After meeting someone new, follow up with a personalized message on LinkedIn or via email. Thank them for their time and express your interest in staying connected. Networking isn't just about what you can gain from others, but also about what you can give. Look for opportunities to help your connections, such as making introductions, offering advice, or sharing resources. Building a strong professional network takes time and effort. Be patient and don't expect immediate results from your networking activities. Invest in your relationships, and over time, your network will grow.